Keep your dogs on go, man. Keep your dogs on go. Yeah, we back at it again. Had to let you guys know, we back at it. Good boy. Good boy, Lil Black. Let's go. This is Lil Black right here. Let's go, Lil Black. Good boy. Good boy, Lil Black. Yeah, Lil Black. Good boy. Good boy, Lil Black. Yeah. 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 Good boy. Yeah. Good boy, Lil Black. Good boy, Lil Black. Good boy. Good boy, Lil Black. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Good boy, Lil Black. Good boy, Lil Black. Good boy. Good boy, Lil Black. Yeah, he growing too. He getting bigger. 9 weeks. Let's do it. We're talking 9 weeks right now. Going on 10. Side to side, people. Dogs and pups, side to side. Side to side, people. Just like that. Side to side. And they should not be, you see how he's stumbling a little bit? We're gonna clean that up. See? That's how you want that landing to be like that. That's how you want the landing to be. You know what I mean? Not too much stumbling. Everything clean. None of that stumbling. Sharp turns. No stumbling. We working on it. And then this is, this ain't grass or nothing. So he doing well. Keep your dogs on go. How about that? Keep your dogs on go. See you people in the comments. I need to go and tell Southern Triple J how to train his dogs. Stop inbreeding. Get some real dogs. Cut that inbreeding out. Get you some real good machinery. Get you some good dogs. You need better equipment. New blood. Get high with it too. Get high with it, yep. Yeah. Get high with it. Get high with it. Yeah. Get high with it. Get high with it. Uh-huh. You see that shape? Yeah, look at that boy. See that boy? You don't play with him. Don't play with that boy. Look at him. Good boy. Good boy. See that 360? That's how that's supposed to work. They call it cat pole flirt. That's how that's supposed to work. 360. 360. 360. If your pup ain't locked on like that, it's a problem. If your pup ain't locked on like that, that's them inbred genes. You need to go check that out. DogzOnGo TV, man. Y'all know what's going on. Let's go. DogzOnGo. Let's go. Uh-huh. You see the pup. You see the pup. And you see the progress. We don't want to get him dizzy now. He got it now. He got it. A little dizzy, but he got it. Uh-huh. 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 Look at that boy. It's a good biter right there. Uh-huh. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Uh-huh. A little tired. Nothing wrong with that. Uh-huh. 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 There we go. See, y'all gotta work with y'all pups, man. You gotta work with y'all dogs. You know? Definitely gotta do that, man. You gotta work with y'all dogs. DogzOnGo TV, man. You know? Work with your dogs. Work with your dogs, man. Mm-hmm. Good boy. Uh-huh. Good boy. Uh-huh. 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 You see that jump? Look at that jump. Yeah. You see that leap? Look at that leap right there. Uh-huh. Yeah, look at that boy. That's what I'm talking about. Good job. Good boy, little black. Good boy, little black. Good boy, little black. Yeah. Good boy, little black. Good boy. Good boy. He getting tired now. When he ain't biting as hard, that means he tired. Yeah, he tired. He getting dizzy. Good boy, little black. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, little black. 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 Good boy, little black. Yeah, he getting tired. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy, little black. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, little black. Good boy. Good boy. It's him non-stop. He ain't got his brothers and sisters to help him out with the time. It's just him. Good boy, little black. Good boy, little black. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, little black. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, his biting getting slower, but he's still getting that. I like when he jump and leap with it too. See, watch that. Watch that. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, little black. Good boy, little black. He tired. Good boy, little black. Every time he jump, he get it though. Good boy, little black. That's he got that leap, you heard? Yeah, he's on it. He's on it. Good boy, Lil Blood. Good boy. Good boy, Lil Blood. Good boy. Good boy, Lil Blood. Good boy. Good boy, Lil Blood. Side to side. Good boy. Good boy, Lil Blood. Good boy. Good boy, Lil Blood. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Lil Blood. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, y'all seeing greatness in the making right now, man. Sandy Pitts, man. First generation. Y'all know what's going on. See what it is. Kane Corso to the pit. To the staff. What's really good. You don't get no more game than this. You know what I'm saying? Don't wait to train your pups. Good boy. He gonna get that. You see how he went after that? See how that boy went after that? Look at that boy. He's on it. He ain't playing no games. Mm-hmm. See that? Like that. Uh-huh. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah, that's a real bite right there. You saw that jump and that leap with it. Uh-huh. You see that shake, that side to side? That's what you're looking for. Yeah, that's what you're looking for. Yeah. That's what you want. Uh-huh. Just give it a little tug like that. That's what you need. Give it a little tug. Just give it a little tug every now and then after they already been working. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, y'all see the progress. Quick, ain't it? Mm-hmm. Good boy.